So, welcome everyone to this first lecture about prompt engineering, about its meaning and the basic concept with Constructor Academy. So, let's have some words about us. So, who is Constructor Academy? We are an institute that offer technology programs to scale up for we do short courses and intensive courses for individuals that want to look to boost their career, or also for companies that they want to scale up their employees. We are based in Zurich, in Munich, in the north of Germany, so in Bremen, but also you can join our courses remotely easily. Okay, so I'm going to present myself. I'm Adriano Persegani. I'm a data scientist and a generative AI program manager. So I host the Mastering Generative AI program at Constructor Academy. It's a short course of 6 weeks. You can so it's part-time, is in the evening. If you are interested into, you can apply scanning this code. Don't worry, there will be a code also later to scan. And there will be links inside these slides. So I'm going to share the slides later on. Okay, so don't worry about it. Just stay with me until the end, so I will share with you the link. Okay, so today will be about working with LLMs. So prompt engineering. But prompt engineering, I prefer to say working with LLMs. So LLMs are these large language models. So models are like data science model that they are predicting something. And since we're using, we started using natural language, so NLP, natural language processing. We started to have these really large models that they can predict the next word coming up, and so and we developed this very nice chatbots. So we are going to have 7 lectures about that. We are starting today with some basic concepts about prompt engineering, some introduction. Next week, we are going to develop effective prompts. And the week after, we are going to see the impact of like the different changes and with the response of AI. Then we are going to see how to enhance your productivity in your professional and house setting. Then we are going to see some advanced prompting technique like chaining and conditional prompts. Then you are going to build a tool with using LLMs. And then at the end, we are going to see the future development of the AI and prompting techniques. So the lecture will be every day we're going to be an intro of 1 minute, a lecture of about 40 minutes, a Q&A session, and networking. So we are going to set up a room that you can interact between all the attendees. So what will be covered in this course? See online often that you have like the top 10 ChatGPT prompts to boost productivity. You know, these courses that they want to tell you what is the best prompt to write into OpenAI and how to become a prompt engineer. This is exactly not what we are going to do here. We are going mainly I want you to learn how to work with the LLMs, so you can understand yourself on your specific need, how to use them. There is not a prompt that can work for everyone. Everyone has a different ways of and different needs. So I'm going to show you how to effectively use them and become a prompt engineer. What is that? Mainly for most people, a prompt engineer is not a career, but is a skill master. And here we are going to teach you how to do that. So we are going to use AI to boost your efficiency and effectiveness on your day-to-day life, because this is the future. AI already came into our life. We see everywhere. In our smartphones, we see on the news, we see we have hacker attacks, we have spams that use AI. So the ones that will not be able to use AI in the future will not be as effective as the one that knows how to use that. So here, and to do that, we are going to let you understand how LLM work, and to prepare yourself for success in the future, because AI, as we said, will be essential in a workspace skill, like it was the Office suite until now. So often you apply for a job and you see that you need to know Excel, you need to know how to write on Word, or how to do PowerPoints. So AI is going to be the skill to master in the future, and also already right now. So how we are going to do that? We are going to go through research papers. So I'm not just going to tell you what works for me, but what the studies are saying. We are going to show you examples and demos, so you can actively see all the techniques. You are going to have mini projects to work on. So since we are going to have 1 week between each lecture, you have the time on work on projects. We are going to see proprietary and open source models. What does it mean? Proprietary are like this closed model, like OpenAI, GPT, ChatGPT, or Claude, or Gemini. So these are all closed model, and we are going to see open source one. So I'm gonna teach you how to use the open source one. Open source, it means that you can check actually the code that is inside, and they're free to use. We are going to see how to build some advanced tool with that. And I'm going to share with you the latest updates in AI, because every week there's something coming up. Just yesterday evening, OpenAI came up with a new model, right? Okay, so are you ready, guys? We are starting. Ready, set, go. Okay. What is prompt engineering? If we look at Wikipedia, we check first. Okay, let's see first what is a prompt, right? A prompt is a set of instructions that we write to a computer system to perform something, and we use a spoken language. Natural language, human language, right? And the prompt engineering is the process of structure some instructions that can be interpreted and understood by generative AI model. A prompt is a natural language text describing the task that AI should perform. So you have this on Wikipedia. You will have the link right here if you want to check Wikipedia. And let's see the element of a prompt. Here, I'm showing you an example with Claude AI by Anthropic. So we have an input. So I'm asking something. who are you? And Claude is asking me, so I am Claude, an AI assistant created by Anthropic. This is the company. I'm designed to help with a wide variety of tasks, including analysis, writing, math, coding, and general discussion. I'm knowledgeable about many topics and always eager to learn more. How can I assist you today? So this is the output. You see, we ask something and we have an output, right? You are already a prompt engineer. If you are here, I think you already used the AI at least once, and you have. If you haven't done for this evening, you will. So to be a prompt engineer, you don't need any technical background. Also for this course, there will be no need of technical background. We are going to use natural language, so human language, okay? Natural language can be language from horses also, right? But we are going to use human one. And is a groundbreaking technology. Yes, because it's changing the world. It's literally changing the world. It's changing the work, the work market. It's changing all the industry. But what is really then prompt engineering? Okay, we saw on Wikipedia. Okay, I ask something to an AI, but for me, it's like an interdisciplinary field, so we can use in all the different fields of engineering. So we are engineering something. You know, we are building something that engages with artificial intelligence by combining aspects from data science, software engineer, cognitive science, business, philosophy, psychiatry, and computer science. So it's a really is a discipline that can be used in all the fields. That's why they are so important, LLMs right now, so large language models, because before, you know, data science were building models that were specific to a use case. For example, weather forecasts. Weather forecasts are models that are trying to predict the weather, right? So, but they are specific only to weather. When we start to use natural language, so English or Italian or French or Chinese, we are talking like human. So, and as human, we talk our language in all the disciplines. So that's why they are so important, and we can use in all the fields. And then you can say, but Adriano, why prompt engineering is so important? We have this huge neural network, these models that are super intelligent, super expensive, that are built as our brain is built, right? So we have like these neurons in our head, these synapses that connects each other, and we build neural network like we know our brain works. But why should they know prompt engineering, right? They are so intelligent, these models. Why should I know how to write them? They are so intelligent, right? Okay, yeah, but so some people research about that, and so you could say, yeah, I could think about the performance and the size. So you see, this is a size of a model. So I can have different layers inside our model. The different size of the model, the bigger the model is, you can say the performance should be, you know, linear. But this is not what the researchers found. The researchers found that the model has almost no performance. So performance, no accuracy, was not answering correctly until a certain size. And then at a certain size, boom, it spiked. This is a research paper that I will share with you. So emergent abilities of large language models. And as you see, in all of them, in all different tasks, some abilities, they emerged. You see, like, for example, you have the accuracy here. Let's see in particular this one, this arithmetic research. So you see on the y-axis we have accuracy, and on the x-axis we have the size of the model. So let's not see exactly what this number means, but you just consider that this is the size. You see that we have almost no accuracy here, and then at a certain moment it spiked. And the thing that is fun, that even the researcher, even the people that build it, they don't know why. It's like life. Life there when the life appeared on Earth, there was cells, there was something, and then we don't know why, but at a certain moment life appeared on Earth, and is the same for the language, for these LLMs. It's like, okay, I built all this. I do in every neuron, I'm going to build some statistical formula to activate them and to create connections between all of them, right? But indeed, for the researcher, this is just a black box. No one knows what's happening there. And then the researchers, they found also that then prompting, it really changed the behavior. More than knowing what's happening inside, is important how to write, how to communicate with these models. And so they saw like this, like the same graph as before, but instead of the size, we see the prompt quality. The size of a model is very expensive to deploy. We need a huge server. We need to consume a lot of energy, right? So if I can achieve a performance of accuracy just using my prompt, how powerful is that? So a smaller model can perform well like a larger one, only due to the prompt quality. And this is also in the research paper that I'm sharing with you. Okay, so we are almost finished for today. Today was just an introduction, guys, and I wanted to show with you for the next time. This is the status of the server of OpenAI. So as you see here, if you want to use ChatGPT, sometimes there is a lot of requests worldwide. So you see that is not up all the time. It can be frustrated if you need to do something. And it can vary. You cannot really have control over that. So one thing that we will start doing, starting from the next time, and I want you to be at ease with it and start playing with that, is to use Playground. So I'm going to share with you the code. We have a question here. Thank you very much. Is it possible to see again the calendar content of days? Thank you. Yes, is it possible? I'm going to share these slides with you in a moment, okay? So just use this link here. I'm going to write it down also. So this link here. I think you should be able to see it in the chat. Just confirm if you are able to see it. Yeah, so either you use the link, either you can scan with your phone. You can scan this QR code here. So for the next time, subscribe to OpenAI, and we're going to use this platform. So you can already start playing. And yeah, so in 1 week and a half, we are starting our Mastering Generative AI course, so that will cover all of this and more, way more. So we will teach you also how to create agents. So AI that will perform tasks for you. And we are starting the 24th of September. You can apply for before the 20th of September, and using this code GENI 25%, you will have 25% off. Yeah, so that was it for today. Let me see if I can share with you the slides, so you will be able to check at it.
So good morning to everyone who hasn't been in the webinar, for I muted myself. My name is Katharina. I'm leading the Construct Academy. I'm in the train right now, but I would like to invite everyone to the link I shared in the chat on the Zoom link to have a little discussion afterwards. So whoever wants to come and has some questions or would like to give some recommendations, just come and talk to me. Okay? Thank you, Adriano. Very, very well done.
Thank you very much, Katharina. Yeah, since this is a webinar, we cannot really interact here. You can write in the chat, but we cannot have an actual talk. So in the chat, you will see there is a link Katharina shared with you. So let's meet there. If you want to talk to us, if you have questions about this course, about mastering generative AI, or in general about Constructor, or you just want to have a general chat. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you on the other link, or otherwise I will see you next Friday. Bye-bye.